morning, guys. We are going to start with Unit 2, and the first topic, the grammar point, is going to be present perfect, okay? When do we use present perfect? When an action started in the past but continue until today, or an action that you already done, but you can do it in several times, okay, in the future. So, what do you need for present perfect? You need the personal pronoun I, you, he, she, it, we, or they, and the auxiliary verb that is have or has. Has is going to be for the third person. Remember, he, she, it. Then for affirmative sentences, you can use already, okay? Just for affirmative. Then the main verb, it is going to be in past participle. Remember, for present perfect, the verb always is going to be in past participle. It is a characteristic, and at the end, the complement. For negative sentences, in negative sentences, you have two ways to write a negative sentence. For example, in this case, you need the personal pronoun I, you, he, she, it, we, or they. Haven't or hasn't. Hasn't for he, she, it. Verb in past participle, complement, and at the end you can include yet, okay? So this is one way to write a negative sentence. Another way to write a negative sentence is when you use never, okay? You can use never, but you have to use the auxiliary verb in affirmative way. Why? Because this is negative, and you can write two negatives in one sentence, okay? So it's going to be the personal pronoun have or has he, she, it, and never, verb in past participle, and complement, okay? Then for questions, when you answer just yes or no, yes, no questions, this is going to be the structure. You need have or has, personal pronoun, ever, verb in past participle, complement, and question mark, okay? This is only when you answer yes I have or no I haven't. But when you want a more specific or when you need more information, you can ask how long, okay, have you done your homework? In that case, you can answer more specific, for 2 hours or etc. Okay? For this, for how long, you are going to need or you are going to answer using since or for, okay? Since you are going to use it for a point in time, okay? So you can use yesterday. Yesterday is going to be with since. Last, in here you can say last week, last year, last month, okay? A specific year, the number, okay? The specific day of the week, the specific month, okay? With since. For long, long you're going to use it for a period of time. What it means, you can use it for the word hours, for 2 hours, for 2 years, for 2 months, for 2 days, for a long time, for my whole life, okay? For this, you are going to use for, okay? So see you next class. Please copy the presentation, and if you have any question, you can ask in the class, okay? So bye.